You are a DevOps engineer, and you have been given some requirements and an architecture for a new website. You've been asked to generate an infrastructure as code solution using Terraform and Ansible. Let's see how we can use BobShell to help us accomplish this task. So first, let's take a quick look at the architecture before we get started. So we can see the architecture is a simple two-tier web application with a web server and a database on the back end. And then we have some configuration requirements for what needs to happen, what we need to do in Terraform to create the network, and what we need to do with Ansible in terms of configuration. Let's go ahead and ask BobShell to help us figure this out. Let's type in a command for us. So you can see it's going to go ahead and get started analyzing our files and starting through its to-do list as it builds out first the Terraform configuration, as you can see on the list here. And then it's going to build the Ansible configuration afterwards. And as you can see, for both Ansible and Terraform, it's following the best practices in terms of how it splits out its files for keeping its variables and its configuration separate from the code. And now it should give us a nice completion showing us what it has finished in terms of building the Terraform and the Ansible, as well as some supporting configuration files. And now I'm ready to go ahead and deploy this solution.